Yeah, babe, so me I tell you say, if you don't want to be boy now,
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had their shit?
Wasn't me.
Well, it was fucking one of yous. Disgusting.
Only gonna fuck you up. Bad, 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 bad love.
come here. Really come here. Eh?